A very good morning, all my dear students. I am very happy if you call me dear teacher. I will be very happy if you subscribe my channel and learn something from me. Welcome to dear teacher RS. We are learning areas related to circle and learn something from me. We are learning areas related to circle. So we will continue that. I have explained all the concepts. Now I have to work on the problems of the textbook. I have the textbook in my hand. I appreciate you also should have textbook in your hand. Okay. So this is the chapter number 11. Chapter number 11, areas related to circle. Okay. So now let us jump into the exercise 11.1. So 11.1 has 14 problems in it. Yeah, 14 problems. The only one exercise and definitely one problem guarantee in the examination. So please focus more on this exercise. So question number 1, 11.1 exercise. Thank you. Okay, just a minute. I will just adjust my I did not put my logos, my chapter name, वगैरह. Let us do exercise 11.1, question number 1. Find the area of the sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeters. Radius 6 centimeters, radius is equal to 6 centimeters and angle is equal to theta is equal to 60 degrees. So find the area of the sector. So area of the sector formula theta by 360 into pi r square. Same question, if same question comes, please don't start the problem without writing the formula. Formula carries mark. अभी इसमें वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. थीटा इज 60 degrees, 60 degrees by 360 degrees into pi. I'll write 22 by 7. Okay, into r square is 6 square. I'll write 6 into 6. So cancel and 1 6 will get cancelled. So 132 by 7. So square centimeters. answer should not be in mixed fraction. Answer should be in the, answer should not be in improper fraction. So because we have got improper fraction, you should write it in mixed fraction. Okay. So 1, 13 minus 7, 5, 52, 7 7 is 49, 3 by 7 square centimeter. Or you can keep like this. In the place of 22 by 7, you keep pi only. So you can write 6 pi square centimeters. You can leave it like this also. 6 pi also chalta hai. So this is a very basic problem, very important problem. Actually ये problem आप 8th क्लास में पढ़ लिया है, फिर भी और एक बार दिया आपको easy करने के लिए. Now let us do second question. Okay. Question number 2. Find the area of the quadrant of the circle whose circumference is 22 centimeters. Circumference. So he has given circumference is equal to 22 centimeters, and he is asked find the area of the quadrant. Area of a quadrant. Okay, area of quadrant is question mark. Quadrant means 1/4 part of the circle. Okay, 1/4 part means if there is a circle, 1/4 part of the circle. This is 1/4 part of the circle. That is nothing but a sector. Quadrant is nothing but a sector with angle 90 degrees. This is the quadrant. Okay, and circumference, this length of arc is given 22 centimeters. So 6 pi is also okay. 6 pi, say this is another way. Say I have written 22 by upon 7. 22 by upon 7. If you do like this, you will get this type of answer. I am telling you which is the best answer in the board examination, because 7 is not getting cancelled. In such cases, you can leave pi, because pi is not getting simplified with the other number. If this radius is a multiple of 7, then you can put 22 upon 7. Okay. So there are 3 options. One is you can leave it like pi, or you can put 3.14, or you can put 22 upon 7 and like this. So I find this method is this answer is the best answer. Okay. Let us go to another question. Okay. So thank you for asking me questions. Yeah. Now here let me write 2 pi r, because this is a circumference 2 pi r by 4 I have to write, because circumference circumference of the circle, I am sorry, you should not write by 4, you should write only 2 pi. Circumference of the circle is 22. Okay. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 22, r is equal to 22 into 7 upon 22 into 1 upon 22. Now in this case I have written 22 upon 7, because these two are getting cancelled. Okay. So that is why you can act accordingly. So this is 7 upon 2 centimeter. I am not putting it in the decimal number, because I have to find area of a quadrant. So area of quadrant is equal to 1 by 4 into pi r square, you can write, or theta by 360 into pi r square also you can write. Either this formula is okay or this formula is also okay. Both gives the same answer, because if you write theta by 90 degrees, theta by 360 degrees, this is nothing but 1 by 4. Both are okay, because it is given quadrant, you can write 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 22 upon 7 into 7 by 2, 2 times square. Now I have written 7, 22 upon 7. You can write like that because 7 will get cancelled. So now 1, 2 will get cancelled in 11. That's it. So this is 77 by 8. Okay. So it is improper fraction. You have to convert it into mixed fraction. 972 5 by 8 area square centimeter. So this is the answer. Even if you do like this, you will be getting the same answer. Okay. So let us go to third question. Let us go to third question. The length of the minute hand. So this question is also important. This is a clock problem. Clock, the minute hand or second hand or hour hand act as a radius of the circle. Okay, radius of the circle. So if there is a circle, this is the circle, minute hand, this is the center, this is for example minute hand, this is 12. So minute hand will cover, for example it is 3 o'clock. So how much area it will be sweeping? It is covering the area covered by the minute hand till this time to this time. So you will be getting a sector here with some angle. Okay. So angle of the sector you have to find out as per the time. So if minute hand covers 1 hour, 60 minutes. So if one round means 60 minutes and angle is 360 degrees. So 360 divided by 60, which is equal to 6 degrees for each minute. Okay. So this you have to remember, and let us work without drawing the diagram. So question number 3. The length of the minute hand. I'll write as it is, length of minute hand, which is equal to radius, which is equal to 14 centimeter, multiple of 7, and find the area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes. So time is 5 minutes. In 5 minutes you have to find out area swept in 5 minutes. Okay, this is the question, and let us solve it. So we got radius and we have to get 5 minutes angle. So the angle made by minute hand in 5 minutes is equal to 1 minute 6 degrees, 5 minutes 5 into 6 degrees is equal to 30 degrees. Okay. So 30 degrees. How you got 60 degrees? 360 degrees by 60 minutes. So this will be 6. Okay. Therefore, area swept is equal to area of a sector formed. Area of the sector formed. So which is equal to, just a minute. నిన్న మళ్ళీ దుమ్ము పడింది అక్కడ. ఇక్కడ పడిన దుమ్ము అక్కడ పోగొట్టానే. మొన్న కొట్టినప్పుడు దీని మీద టీవీ మీద దుమ్ము పడితే అది తీసేసి. Good morning, Saloni. I hope you are following. So area of the sector. So let me write the formula also. 3 into pi r square. So angle is how much? 30 degrees. 30 degrees by 360 degrees into 22 upon 7 into R is how much? 14. So 14 into 14. So 0, 0, and this is 12, 2 times, this 2 6 times, again 3 times, it is 7 times. Okay. So that's the final 22 into 7 by 3. You put it in dash square centimeter. I am not writing the final answer. You can do it by yourself. Okay. So this is question number 3. Now let us go to question number 4. Right. I hope you are following. Okay. Right. A chord of the circle radius 10 centimeters. Let me draw the figure. This is the circle center and this is the chord. Okay, radius is how much? 10 centimeters. Radius is 10 centimeter. AB is the chord and AO is the radius. Subtends a right angle at center. This chord is making right angle 90 degrees. I did not write it, draw it properly. That is not looking like 90 degrees, but I have written, so it is 90 degrees. So find the area of minor segment and area of major sector. So two things you have to find out. One is area of minor. ఆ బాటిల్ కూడా పట్టుకెళ్ళితే పట్టుకెళ్ళిపో. So area of minor segment and second one is area of major sector. Two things you have to find out. Be careful. Major sector. So let us find out minor segment means this one. I am shading it. This is the minor segment. Okay. How do you get minor segment area? Let me clarify one more time. Minor segment area, there is an x radius, minor sector AXBO, otherwise AOBX is a minor sector. AOBX is a minor sector. Minus this triangle AOB is equal to minor segment. So total sector minus this triangle is equal to minor segment area. So now here you have to find out area of triangle. Area of a triangle AOB. I'll do it here. So half base into height you can write. Why I am writing? Because it is 90 degrees. Actually it should be like this. It is 90 degrees. If it is 90 degrees, then this will become base and this will become height. So now both are radius 10 centimeters only. It is equal to 10. So 5, it is equal to 50 square centimeter area of. Now area of segment. Area of minor segment is equal to area of minor segment is equal to area of sector AOXB minus area of triangle AOB. Okay. So theta by 360 into area of sector formula pi r square minus, already I have written 50 square centimeters. So this theta is 90 degrees. 90 by 360 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 10 square. So in this case, let us write 3.14. He has given also in the textbook, he has given use pi is equal to 3.14. So then it will become 4. So 1 upon 4 into 3 upon 3.14 into 100. These two decimal places will go away. 314 by 4. So 7 4s are 28, 34, 8 4s are 32.5 square centimeters or centimeter square also. Both are okay. So this is how to find the area of the minor segment. So it is a 4 marks question, okay, or 3 marks question, because this is one concept and this is one more concept, and this is the main concept of the chapter. सेक्टर से ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट सेगमेंट है. सो अभी एक छोटा माइनर सेगमेंट का एरिया, इधर वी गॉट एरिया and we should get the area of the sector, major sector. So major sector means I will put vertical lines. This is the major sector. I will write y here, okay. So I will put it I'll write here only major sector, okay. Area of major sector. Area of major sector is very simple, direct formula. Area of major sector is equal to, formula is same, into pi r square. So now this theta is nothing but angle of major sector is equal to 360 degrees minus 90 degrees. This is already 90, this is 360 minus 90. So it is equal to 270. So 270 degrees by 360 into 3.14 into 10 square. So cancel. 27 by 36 into 314, okay. 9 table will cancel, 3 by 4. So it is equal to 3 into 314 by 4. You will be getting some answer, square centimeter. Don't get confused. Bajrang Dal, good morning. Hi. So this is question number 4, okay. Now all the concepts are like this only. Questions are getting twisted and given. You have to find out the area of segment, area of the sector. If you understand, that is fine, okay. Let us go to question number 5. Question number 5. Fifth question, 11.1 exercise. 11.1 exercise. So question number 5. I hope you are having the textbook, okay, NCERT textbook. In a circle of radius 21 centimeters, let me write radius of circle is equal to 21 centimeter, okay, and subtend an angle, an arc subtend 60 degrees. So 60 degrees, that means let me draw a circle, okay. This is the arc AB and it is making an angle 60 degrees, okay, theta, and that's it. Find the length of the arc. That means you have to find out measure of arc, okay. Measure of arc you will represent like this, measure of angle, length of arc. So this arc we have to find out, and area of the sector, let us say area of sector AOBX Okay, this is first one, second one. That means this entire area we have to find out. And third one, area of the segment formed by the arc. That means you have to find out area of this segment. Third one, area of a minor segment. So these are the things we have to find out from this information. So as per the information, I have drawn the diagram. So from the diagram, from the information, we will find out. So first only arc is asked. So length of arc formula, length of arc of a sector, L is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So theta is 60 degrees by 360 into 2 into, he did not write pi, use pi, he did not write use pi vagara. So let us use 22 upon 7 into radius is 21. Okay, I have cancelled it, everything got cancelled, only 22 is remaining, 22 centimeters, because it is the length of the arc, centimeter. These are the small things you will be losing marks. Okay, so you should write the unit. So first question is done. Second question, area of the sector. Area of a sector is equal to, there are two formulas, half LR is also there, 1 by 2 into L into R. Length of arc is this. Or if you are not interested, if you do not remember that formula, you can use that formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. So now length of arc already we got it, half into 22 into radius is 21. So cancel 11. 2 11s are 22. Sir, 1 11s are 11. 2 11s are 22 plus 1, 23. So 23, this is square centimeters. So this is the second one. Now third one, Sakshi. Good morning. Hello. You came at the end of the class. Okay, 6 o'clock is my class. Right. Now let us find out a third one. Third one is area of the segment. For that we have to find out area of the triangle. Okay. So area of triangle, because this entire minor sector minus this triangle is equal to this shaded area. So area of triangle find out करना बहुत ज़रूरत है. So उसके लिए हम area of triangle find out करेंगे. Area of a triangle AOB. So area, how to get? We cannot write half base into height. Half base into height we cannot write because it is not 90 degrees. But you can write equilateral triangle because it is a 60 degrees. These two angles are also equal 60 degrees. If vertical angle is 60 degrees, base angle also 60 and 60 because it is an isosceles triangle. Both radii are equal. So isosceles triangle. So equilateral triangle. You can write Gangesh, I'm sorry, Gangesh, hello. So equilateral triangle, this is area of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 4 into side square. So you should remember all the formulas. So area of a triangle. In this, the complicated one, you should understand and find the area of the triangle. One is right angle triangle you may be getting, one is 60 degrees, one is 120. Only 3 cases you have to remember. First case is already done. Now we are doing second case. Okay. So root 3 by 4, root 3 by 4 into side is how much? Radius. So it is 21 square. Okay, 21 into 21. So root 3 by 4 into 441. you simplify this. This is let us say x square centimeters. I am not giving the answer, just you do it. Okay. Now we have got triangle area, then we will get area of a segment. Okay, area of segment. Therefore, area of segment is equal to minor segment. Area of a sector minus area of triangle AOB. Area of sector already we have got 231 minus this x is equal to y square centimeters. So you have to find out x and y. Okay, very very important question. This is the 10th class syllabus question. Sector is old. Okay, I am not very much sure that sector questions will come in the examination, but segment questions, area of segment questions will come in the board examination. Only one model, minor segment, major segment. Okay, so now let us go to another question. Already my time is already up. It is 6:30. It is already 6:30. So I am closing my online session. Thank you for being with me, and happy Dasara. 2 more days is there, and if you want to join my classes regularly, in the description there is a WhatsApp group. You can click and join into my WhatsApp group. Not only maths, I am going to teach physics also. I am going to prepare you in the mind of board examinations, right? So I have I am a retired principal. I am having 40 years experience of maths teacher. So thank you. Share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.